Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Prishita Pathak. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you this makeup look. This makeup is according to my birthday dress. I have done this makeup look from this K Beauty palette. So this is a new palette that I was so excited about, and I finally got it as a birthday present from my mom. If you are interested in watching how to get this makeup look, then please keep watching. So the first product that I'm gonna be using is this Swiss Beauty Primer. Now I'm going to be applying the foundation. This is Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 128. Now I will apply this Maybelline Neo concealer under my eyes and in the areas that I want to brighten up. And I'm also gonna apply the concealer on the top of my eyelids because it helps the eyeshadow to blend easily and it works like an eyeshadow primer. Now next I'm gonna apply is this Color Essence face powder. Powder helps so that your foundation and your concealer does not crease and does not look cakey. Now I'm gonna apply this eyebrow pencil. This is from Miss Claire. Now next I'm gonna be using this K Beauty eyeshadow palette. This palette looks really beautiful. Just like this. This is the Pure Bloom palette. This looks like this. It has a mirror and these beautiful colors. I really like these colors. This like goes with my vibe. I like light colors and these are just perfect. I have heard a lot about these palettes. Pigmentation, it is amazing. I'm just gonna go for a kind of pink tone look because that look is according to my birthday dress. I'm gonna use this shade as my transition shade. I will just apply it all over onto my eyelids also and on this eye too. Now I'm going to apply this coral color. It is called Coral. I'm gonna apply that into my crease. Now I'm going to take a new brush and I'm going to apply this peach color. Wow, this color is glowy. I mean kind of glittery. I thought it was not glittery, but it's alright. It's a very nice color. So I'm just going to apply this on my eyelids. I'll just apply it with my fingers. Now I'm going to take this spice color and I'm going to put this color onto my waterline. I'm also gonna apply this color. This is called Brick. This brick color, this is the darkest color in this palette. So I'm just going to apply it into the outer part of my crease. Now I'm going to apply this Lakme eyeliner. I'm just going to take very less on my tip of the eyeliner so that I don't create a mess. Now I will apply this mascara. This is from Maybelline. This is Maybelline Colossal Mascara. Now I'm gonna apply contour. This is the Elegal Pro Conceal. Next, I'm going to use this blush. This is from Sugar Cosmetics. Now I'm going to use this highlighter from Nykaa. Now I'm going to apply this red lipstick. This is from SQ Stay Quaggy. It's a brand on Sugar Cosmetics app. From there I purchased this lipstick. Oh my god. This lipstick is way too dark. I don't go for this kind of dark. Whenever I use a red lipstick, I know it's gonna be so dark. So I just apply it very less, or with my fingers, I just dab it a little. I'm just going to put a lip gloss on this lipstick so that it is not this dark. This gloss is from Sugar. This gloss has nudish color. So I'm just okay guys, so that's it. I hope you liked the video, and if you liked it, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, bye. I will see you in the next video.